welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Well, we have a ta-da today. Now I did most of this box on camera. I did a few extra things. You know, I put paper and fabric around here. I had to put the little bear, it's just a thing. I put the snap on for my closure. And this was a bigger snap. I just trimmed it down because it was leather and I, did. So, yeah, there's that. So, it's not empty anymore, guys. Okay? So, this, look, I can't make a not fluffy journal. They just grow, I guess. I don't know. So, anyways, what I did with this one, it does fit, and it's snug, but it does fit. But when I put the lace on and things like that, it kind of just, it filled the box to capacity. We'll just put it that way. So what I did for that was I made a pull, just a ribbon pull, so that it comes out really easy. And then that just, stays in there while you enjoy the journal, right? Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. Is that awesome or what? Now, there's a lot more you can do with this box. It's just probably the beginning. I'll probably do more because it's me. I will. But it's the beginning. Now, this may look a little different to you. I've got embroidery, hand stitching, slow stitching, however you want to say that, all over this. I put my paper dolls in this little lacy pocket down here. Isn't that pretty? I mean, just it's a piece of lace on top of the same fabric that's backing this, okay? So just stitch around it. I did some outlining, some things, and I embroidered the flowers on here and leaves, and I put some dimensional ribbon roses here. I just, once you get started, it's hard to stop, right? So, that's the front. Is that cool? I'm loving that. It's just beautiful to me. To me, it's beautiful. Okay, this is the spine. This is an embroidered bow, and then a couple of little rosy embellishments. And this is the back. I just simply stitched around that one. I printed this out on fabric, okay? I should have said that to begin with, but I printed this out on fabric, and that's what I did over here. Printed it out on fabric. It's super easy to do that. You can buy printable fabric in little packs. They're not cheap, so you use them, for special occasions and all that. But you can also, print on fabric in other ways. We won't go into that today, but I even embroidered the door handle. It's just, like I said, once you get started, it's hard to stop. So, and then I just filled my pocket with all my leftover paper dolls, right? Just FYI, this one was sort of a winter themed, okay? There's one coming in the future that's going to be a garden time paper dolls. Yep. Spoiler alert. Okay, because I'm loving the paper doll thing, so it's gonna come back soon-ish. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up. Isn't that beautiful? It only would hold one signature because, constraints of the box. I put a little rose down here. Just, you can do so much more. You really can. You can put pockets, flips, and all kinds of things. We did most of the things on here. We did on camera. All the doors are going to be opening and all that kind of thing, right? So, there's that. And we did this on camera. I think this was a Friday freebie, So I put in some writing pages because it is a journal. Yeah. And just prettiness here. You can put things on that, of course. I like the striped pages. This goes, the vintage rose and vintage playtime, they just go so well together. So you have to use them together, right? So I've got you know, a side pocket here. This was either a freebie for the kit or a Friday freebie. One or the other. I can't remember now. It's been a while. Okay, so, and it's also the back to this closet, right? And we had to hang our clothes up in there and all that stuff. So, super cute, right? Awesomely awesome. We made that. Yeah, we made that on camera. Another writing page. Just prettiness. There's so much you can do with this. For my center spread, I made, these are in the kit. These slider belly bands. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, those are in the kit. Just prettiness and writing space. Again, this was a Friday freebie, envelope and all. Now this was in the kit, but you know that these hold this clothes where you got your dolls stuck in the closet, and you've got an envelope which I didn't put anything in, but you can. And then you just stick these guys in here. I made this into a sort of a journal card, tag, whatever you want to call it. And on the back of there, so you have to cut a hole in that. So on the back of there, we've got this one. I just used the same envelope from the other side, and that was a freebie. And we've got some tags. I don't know where she's going. And so, yeah, just prettiness. I tell you, when I was a kid, if I got something like this, I'm sure there would have been a little bit of a squeal or something, because I would have been just super wowed by it, you know. And the back is this way, just I can't really say plain, okay. It's pretty, but it's simple, and you can put stuff on there as well. I put a hidden spine in it because I didn't want to sew through and have the threads on the outside. I had plenty going on the outside. So this was a sewn into and then put down, and you know, the hidden spine. That's what we call it, right? More or less. Just prettiness. Where's the other one? Hold on a second. Okay. Now, along with making this signature, I made a little mini envelope one because I had many pages in the kit, and well, you know, there's a thing. It's a thing, right? So, of course, this door opens and closes. In here, we've got, this is the same element, really. It's got lots more in it, but the door's open and you've got dolls in there, right? So cute. I had to make a shorter, I just made a stacked image pocket for that one because, yeah, the whole envelope one, it wouldn't work. So over here, I made this one, and this time I used pink bulb pins for the hangers, so, because it's cute, right? And it kind of goes with the theme. Lots of toys and stuff stashed down here. Lots and lots of, you know, different things. Cowboy hats and boots and, you know, things that kids play. Okay, just super cute. I just love these. They're just so adorable. Now, this is one of my favorite things that we did with this one. And like I said, we did most all of this on camera. Behind the chair. That's where the kids play, right? Behind the chair, there's a dollhouse. All these are in the kit. So, yeah, dollhouse, a little girl back there playing with her toys behind the chair. That's adorable. My kids used to love to get behind this chair or the sofa. I just simply tied a little signature in that. This is the same one, more or less, as the other journal. You just have your closet. Super cute. You just, on this one, you don't have to put something behind them because the envelope's behind them. So on this one, I just did a stacked image pocket, and I put our little girl with their sewing clothes and, you know, things like sewing clothes and their stuff, you know. I put that in there because how cute is that, right? So, yeah. And then back here I did another one of the closets. I had doors, guys. I had to open them, right? So I put hang up clothes in here. Oh, there's a little girl playing in the closet. Hey, did you ever get in the closet and play? Yep. Lots of toys down here for her to play with. So there you go. And then the back is just like this. I left it that way because it's just digitally pretty already. Okay. So, and it lays flat-ish. I mean, it's not super, super, super chunky. So you can add a lot more to these. But I put a little tie around it, so because it's cute, right? And we put a doorknob on our door. Don't forget that. It's cute, right? Okay, so we've got this one, and this one. It's just, I love this one. I like this one too. I mean, I don't know. I would squeal if I got that one. I mean, gosh. Okay, let me see if I can get my little paper dolls back in here. They're adorable. We've got the guys in the back, right? And then we just slide these girls right in here. And now there's lots of paper dolls. This is not all of them, okay? There's lots. So pick and choose which one you want or whatever you have left over from all the things that we've made. I mean, this is kind of what was left. And I just wanted the little kids to be up front, you know, ready to play. So I kind of, and they are backed on file folder because, you know, it's a thing. I tried to make them to where you can see all their little sweet faces, right? Okay. That is just, to me, this one was a labor of love kind of thing, you know. What I'm going to do with it? I don't know. I don't know. I think my granddaughter has outgrown them. So I guess I'll keep it for maybe I'll have another granddaughter or something, you know. Okay, so I'll show you how you put this back in here. You just kind of lay this pull. Sure you do. You just lay that over here. I put it towards the spine of the journal because, yeah, it just goes in there like so, and just give it a little push. Stick your twiggies down in there, and then you've got that and that, and you can pull this to get it out easily, right? It's just, I don't know. Guys, I love this one. It's beautiful. I had so much fun making it, and the box, and then there's that one. It's just, I hope you guys like it. If you like it, let me know. I really enjoyed doing the embroidery on I got that lopsided, on the journal cover. I've got another one of these journals to make. I've got the things, I just haven't put it all together yet. But I thought, well, now that I've got that one together, I just had to show you because I had to. It was fun. It was just, I don't know. I loved doing it, so I had to share it with you. So I hope you guys liked it. Okay, that's enough of my ramblings. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.